Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we got a bullish update for Pudgy Penguin's meme coin. If you watched the last video today, we're talking about the top 7 meme coins to buy now, and then Pengu was one of the honorable mentions, and I decided to do a whole deep dive on Pengu on why this is such a fantastic opportunity to buy, as it's currently priced at less than 3 cents, just above the 2-cent point. This one is going to easily 50x from here. I'm telling you, this is a Disney of crypto, and this could be the potential next Doge. Mark my words. But before we go into the Pengu deep dive, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out any updates like this. And also check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet. Best Wallet lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. It allows you to buy and swap Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Definitely check this one out, as this one's going nuts. Now, what's up with Pengu? Pengu down on the week at about 1%, on the month down over 32%. We can see it's really been down from its all-time highs. We haven't really hit bottoms either. Again, I don't believe we're ever going to go less than a penny, but we're definitely seeing a lot of dumping in price when this one should be the next Dogecoin. Again, I made a whole thesis on this before. I've done a live stream on this. I've always talked positively about Pengu because you got to understand the mindshare of Pengu to really wrap around. It's not simply just a meme coin for the sake of memes. This is going to be a true utility coin. They're in the midst of applying for an ETF as well, which is absolutely crazy. The amount of views they have is just absolutely stupid. Over 5 million plus global following, over 159 plus billion Jiffy views. Again, it's insane. They've really been crushing like the meme space. Over 2 million plus toys sold across worldwide, which again, awesome. It gets in the hand of people. On nearly 1 million holders, over 370 million burnt. We got Solana validators offering, let's say, 7 to 11% APY, over 85k sold stake. Again, we're seeing all these positive pinpoints for Pengu that you genuinely cannot fade this one. Like, even when we look on their X, we can really see like they got the game, they got IRL collaborations, they took over Asia, now they seem to be taking over North America. Crypto's mascot, they're at NASDAQ ringing the opening bell. Again, there's no other memes in the market doing things like this. And now the fact that they're about to get an ETF, this one just absolutely blows my mind. That is priced so low. Now, also guys, before we continue with Pengu, I do want to take a second to highlight Bitcoin Hyper, as Bitcoin Hyper pre-sale has been going absolutely crazy. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. Bitcoin Hyper is going to unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions and bring L2 tech to Bitcoin. They have raised over $24.7 million in pre-sale, and in 1 day, 1 hour, they're set to increase their price. I've been many videos talking about this one before and telling you guys how bullish I am for this. Again, I think this one's absolutely going to send. So if you're into L2 style meme coins, you like high utility plays, this is a play for you. Do your own research, but I'll leave the website link in the description box below. So it's totally going to send. They're offering 48% staking rewards, and you can buy directly from the website. Link in the description box below. But back to Pengu, we're seeing the Pengu price is down 69% from all-time highs. Could it rebound 2025 as whales accumulate? We're starting to see whales starting to accumulate Pengu. That's awesome. We're seeing Pengu bounce off key support. Could this pattern trigger an upside breakout? That's what it's starting to look like. We're seeing the falling wedge pattern in play. And then essentially what's next for Pengu? On the 4-hour chart, Pengu appears to be forming a falling wedge, a bullish pattern that often signals weakened bearish momentum and potential for a trend reversal. So again, the technicals are starting to set up for Pengu as well. All signs are telling us that Pengu is definitely about to send. And when you take the social metrics, you take the utility they're offering, you see the accomplishments they made, it's foolish to fade this one. They're about to take over China as well. It's just, this is the play. Mark my words, Pengu is here to take over. The fact they're buying sub or just around 2 cents is absolutely ridiculous. Crypto market's starting to recover as well. We're up another 1.5% after ending yesterday out of 4% green. Our size is nearing the 50s, which is great. We're seeing the market starting to pump. Ethereum come back to 4K, Bitcoin holding above 110. JP Morgan announcing Bitcoin, Ethereum as collateral. The markets are starting to pump. This may be your last chance to buy the dip before everything starts pumping. But remember, guys, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, it's your Umar. Peace.